That's why I'm starting with plant biotechnology. Now, what is plant biotechnology? Let's recall what is biotechnology. If you remember, we had given a very simple definition for biotechnology. It was exploitation of biological organisms or biological processes for the benefit of mankind. Now, this means we are using either organisms or biological products. They might involve industry for the synthesis of, let's suppose, hormones, antibiotics, other biochemically active substances. But that's not only the biotechnology is restricted to. And if you see in this definition, it says especially genetic manipulation of microorganisms. We know biotechnology is not only genetic manipulation. For example, if we are cleaning up environment, bioremediation is also biotechnology. Making of cheese is also biotechnology. Making of yogurt is also biotechnology. It does not necessarily always involve genetic manipulation, though it's one of the most important aspects of biotechnology. Now, from biotechnology jumping to plant biotechnology, the name already suggests that this is the biotechnology that deals only with plants. What are plants? Why are plants important? They, in our life, they play a very important role. And they are crops. All the agriculture crops are plants. All vegetables are plants, and all fruits are plants. So it's a field that entails applying technology on live plants. And it's a vast field for producing new products. The main goal of plant biotechnology is producing new products. So we want to produce new products. Why do we need to produce new products? Because the older products or the already existing products, we want to improve their standard. Either better storage capacity, more nutrient storage, more resistance towards pests, resistance towards pathogenic microorganisms like bacteria, like virus, and the biggest enemy of plants is, of course, fungal pathogens. Then, producing new products is number one. Number two, in a faster way. So let's suppose a plant takes 3 years to start giving us fruit. Let's suppose a tree of apple. Let's suppose a tree of pear. But using plant biotechnology, our goal is to produce it in a faster way than the conventional, than the 3 years, for instance. So number one is new products. Number two, in a relatively rapid way, faster way. Number three, deviating from the conventional way of doing. Now, the conventional way is you dig the ground, you plow, you sow your seeds, you water them, you take care of them, give them manures, do some tilling and digging, and eventually you get the fruit of your crops or of your trees. That's the conventional way. But in plant biotechnology, we deviate from the conventional way. Means we do not do as it is in conventional way. And it involves tissue culture, a lot of manipulations in the lab. We control the environmental conditions. We control the water. We control also what we are giving to these plants. So that's a little about plant biotechnology. There's another definition that I have taken from the World Wide Web. Plant biotechnology is a set of techniques used to adapt plants for specific needs or opportunities. For example, a single crop may be required to provide sustainable food and health nutrition, protection of the environment, opportunities for jobs and income, because it's an industry. And when you have an industry going well and coming into boom, there will be jobs and there will be income coming into the country. For example, one of the biggest plant biotechnology country in the world is Monsanto, belongs to United States of America, and they are generating a lot of revenue for the country. And the last point, finding or developing suitable plants is a typically high complex exchange.